Hello, my students. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about adjectives. And like this lesson is so easy as the previous lessons. You just have to follow the examples and listen to the video, and I'm sure you're going to be fine. Okay, so I just want you to think for a minute. What is adjectives? Okay, why do we need adjectives? Okay, because we talked about pronouns and we talk about verbs. These are so important. So why adjectives? Okay, so adjectives help readers picture things accurately and precisely. We're like, you're gonna describe things, or yes, so the reader will picture these things you're talking about. That's why you need that's why you need to describe things. You need adjectives. Okay, so let's take a look at these examples so to understand more. Adjectives are modifiers. They give information about the nouns and pronouns they modify. So adjectives are gonna modify nouns and pronouns. Let's see. Here with the first example, what kind? Okay. Slippery eyes, sophisticated remark, brilliant color, silent room. Yes. So we're talking about eyes, we're talking about color, we're talking about room. Okay. So it is slippery eyes. Okay, you're gonna describe the eyes, so you have to add an adjective, so you the reader or the one you're talking to is gonna know exactly what you mean. Okay, he can picture things, or you'll expand the horizons for both of yourself, but for him, for the listener or the reader. Okay, how many? 2 months, several poems. Okay, so you're gonna be like uh you like you have to add like 2 months, 3 months. Let's say I spent there 2 months or 3 months. Okay, so you have to be precise. Okay, so that's why you have to add, or several poems. Okay, 2 poems, 3 poems, several poems. Okay, how much? More cake, less milk. So if you want to drink coffee, less milk. Okay, or more cake, you want more cake. Okay, which one? Worst movie or the best movie? Okay, you're gonna describe to you're gonna you have to add an adjective to describe the movie. Last train, that concert, third apartment. You can say the second apartment, third apartment, etc., etc. Okay, here a noun may be modified by two or more adjectives. So here we described one noun like ice, color, cake, movie, but you can add two adjectives to describe the noun. For example, the tall, majestic skyscraper loomed before us. Okay, so we have tall and majestic. And the weather was not only dry but hot. You described the weather by adding two adjectives, dry and hot. Okay, so the weather is a noun and dry and hot, two adjectives. Okay, so that's what we mean, or what. Yes, a noun may be modified by two, or maybe, yes, two or more. You can say dry, hot, and I don't know, rainy or whatever. Here, the adjectives a and an are called indefinite articles because they refer to any one member of a group, nothing specific. The adjective the is known as definite article because it points out a particular noun. We're talking about a particular noun. Let's say the first a or an here. You can write a humorous poem. Any humorous poem. A humorous poem. But the second one, the definite one, the humorous poem you wrote made me howl with laughter. Sorry. So here, the humorous poem. So I'm telling you what poem you have written, the humorous one. So this is a specific, particular noun. Okay. Proper adjective here, which are derived from proper nouns, always begin with a capital letter. Let's see here, Korean paintings, Korean food, Mexican pyramids, okay? To be more specific, you have to, this is again from proper noun, so you have to begin with a capital letter, okay, to make it clear. Good? It's easy, not difficult at all. You just need to focus and you're gonna be fine, I'm sure. Okay? So here we have when a noun or possessive, here adjectives usually come right before the nouns. They modify, but predicate adjectives follow a linking verb to modify the subject of a sentence. So basically, adjective usually come right before the noun, okay? But predicate adjectives follow a linking verb to modify the subject of a sentence. Let's see how. The bus trip was difficult. Okay, this is what we mean. We are difficult. Okay, the bus trip was difficult. We have linking verb here. Okay, and the difficult modified the subject. Good. It's not. It comes after the noun. It's super easy. You just need to focus. The sky appears blue and clear. Also, it comes like you can add two adjectives to describe the noun, but we call it predicate adjectives because follow a linking verb to modify the subject of a sentence. Okay, we blue and clear. We are this one, like blue and clear modify the noun. Okay, so this is so easy, as I said, not difficult at all. You just need to focus and read the examples, okay, and listen to this video. When a noun or a possessive pronoun modifies another noun, it functions as an adjective. Okay, so here we have like two nouns. When a noun or pronouns modify another noun. Epic poem. So epic, this is a noun, okay, but here we're talking about the poem. So the poem was epic, or the poem is epic. So epic modifies the poem, the noun. So that's why it functions as an adjective. Okay, baseball bat. Okay, so again we're talking about baseball bat. So baseball modify bat. Okay, kitchen sink. Okay, again, this is another way like we have like two nouns, and but the first one modify. It functions as an adjective. They're reading. This is a pronoun. Here we said when a noun or pronoun modifies another noun. So wedding is a noun, and there is a pronoun. So we again their functions as an adjective because their wedding. We're talking about their wedding. Okay, as I said, this is I think maybe this is the easiest lesson ever, and you're gonna learn a lot from it. You need this to write your articles if you want to talk and describe more your stories. If you want to write stories with a lot of adjectives, you want to describe things, as I said, because the reader wants to picture things. Okay, and you should write adjectives to make it precise and specific. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed today's lesson. I want you to answer exercise number 7, identifying adjectives. Okay, and if you have I want you to answer this one, and if you have any question, write it down to answer it. Okay, so I can answer it, actually, I'm sorry, in our live session. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question, do not hesitate. Okay? Thank you.